So morning, welcome back to Motor For You. Been a busy week last week, it's Monday morning, so let's get straight into it. This is the board. These have got the sales and the vehicles waiting to go out. We've got a few on there.
These are from the weekend. There's another couple to add which haven't been added yet. 8 for the weekend, which wasn't too bad.
It's not great.
Seeing as though Daddy's on a buying ban at the minute, he's not bought a car for about a month and a half, which is unheard of.
But we have just signed a bond to Japan, so we will be buying from Japan, which we are going to show you the whole journey of that. Buying direct from Japan, 4 months on the boat, coming over to the UK, us registering them, changing KMH to MPH, putting the fog lights on, changing the sat-nav systems, and what we eventually get for them. So I've done it back in 2000 and we're going to do it again, so let's get into it. Yeah?
Yeah, cool. Follow us. The hub.
We're going to show you guys the workshop now, so there's a few issues going on in there. What we're trying to do is, because I've stopped buying the last 6 weeks, we're trying to get on top of all the cars that have had issues or been lying around. Some of them have been here 2 years. We're not, as I said in these videos, we're not going to hide anything, so come on through.
The secrets of running a used car supermarket. Family run. Busy workshop. Monday's always busy. So obviously, service side, we don't open on the weekends. So Monday, when you've got the influx of all those sales, they start coming through straight away. We want to get these cars in and out as quick as possible. But also, we check them thoroughly, as you know.
So, Audi TT, that's just come in part exchange. We're just giving that the once over. It's going to get a pre-delivery inspection. Ian's just doing that on technician. The Range Rover Evoque.
That came back for a slight bit of work because when it went out, it had a couple of minor issues, but they're cars at the end of the day. That's what they're.
Exactly. Electric MG. That's having a few little bits done to it. Pre-delivery inspection. Now, here's one of the problem cars. That was a Kia we bought off motorway about 6 months ago. Drove perfectly, checked it over, the person who bought it for us. As it arrived, the engine started knocking, so let's have a look at it. We just got it in this morning, and as you can see, he's removed the head, not the head, the top of the engine, and we're going to have a look into how we're going to rebuild that engine. It's quite a common problem, apparently, the 2.2. They suffer with a few things. They're normally a great car, and we've sold tons of them, but we're very capable here of doing anything. So that's what we're working on.
We see it as a learning curve.
Yeah, we're going to do a video on this vehicle so you can see what is wrong with it, what happens to it, and how we fix it. So you'll know all the stages of what's going on with it. Come through.
There's always stuff going on, always.
This is Yannick. He's working on the Kia, as well as an Evoque. We've got 5 technicians here, so they all work on the vehicles. And he's in the early stages of diagnosing the Kia. So we do think it needs an engine, and sometimes it's quicker just to replace the engine and get on with it. All right? This is Tyrone. He joined us today. He's come in to basically run the workshop, run the body shop, and run the valeting team. So he's going to be one of our managers here. Say hello, Tyrone. Thanks, Tyrone.
I haven't actually said hello to him yet.
What's that?
I haven't actually said hello to him yet.
He's a nice bloke, nice guy. Melvin? Hello. So now, I'm going to let my son Pasha do the forecourt walk. Every week, we're going to take you on a forecourt walk, show you what's new, show you what's come in, what's going out. You're going to get a part exchange weekly update on what's coming over the weekend. There's some star buys there because we don't go out and buy the cheaper end of the market, but we get a lot of part exchanges in that come in from the customers who've had them a week, had them years, and they're good cars. So yeah, we'll do the forecourt walk now.
Follow me. Hello again. This vehicle here, looking very clean. We had this one quite a while. When we were really heavy on EV, we were buying a lot of EV. I'd say probably 20 to 30 a week. Obviously, when you buy that amount and you don't keep up with price adjustments constantly, they can just sit there and you have to be constantly on your price adjusting. That one sat there a little while, but now price adjusted it slightly. It's now sold. Gentleman's really happy with it. He's got a lovely part exchange to come in as well. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I think that was around 20 grand. This one, possible part X, just about to come in. There's literally a story behind every single vehicle that's going on. There's always someone inquiring on it. It's either just come in part exchange, we might have just price adjusted it. You have to be on every single unit of stock here. These vehicles here, these are ours, these are the ones we drive. I'm a lucky kid, I get to drive a Porsche Taycan, but also I get to learn the ins and outs of it as well, which is exactly what you need to know. You need to know, when a customer asks you about the vehicle, you need to know the ins and outs of every part of that car. Audi e-tron, obviously that's based on that. This is the car over here that my dad drives. We all drive EV, we absolutely love it. Being in the business for 15 years, I was very skeptical about EV when I first came around, but as soon as I drove one, I would never go back. It's not for everyone. I do the same journey every single day, but for what I do, it's brilliant. And also I get to charge it on my dad's electric, so even better, it's free.
Remember guys, we've got experience in EV, electric vehicles for the last 3 years. The used market, we know about E208s, DS4s, Citroen C4s, DS EV, e-tron Audi GTs, Porsche Taycans, Mercedes EQS, EQE, if they're PCO, if they're TFL, the whole range we know about.
Yeah, we know the ins and outs.
We know all the ups and downs, where they go wrong, where they don't go wrong. So listen, drop us a message in the comments. Any questions, always open to ask. And if you guys, any of you think of entering the used car market, give us a shout. I can give you, you know, as I say, I started this in one room 20 years ago with one car, and we're now 300 vehicles. So always give me a shout. If you want any advice, we're a very open family here. I work here with my 3 kids, so you're always welcome to ask us.
These have just had a real big price drop, and actually the value for money in these is absolutely nuts at the minute. This car right here being a 22 plate, remember it's only 3 years old, this car's £25,000, and on a PCP, you get a brilliant offer on that. So if you're interested, this car has just had a recent price adjustment. You'll be surprised how much you can get this for. This one right here, this one's just come back from Porsche. We're not scared to spend money on them to make sure they're right. Unfortunately, I had an issue with the suspension, but we took it direct to Porsche, got it diagnosed, spent £3,000 on it, but it's right now. Follow me. These, what one can I pick out for you? A lot of these, like I said, have had a few price adjustments. So if you go on our website, you'll see some good prices across the board on a lot of these. Tesla again, these Model 3s, you're talking, you can pick this one up, a 70 plate, good mileage for around 14 to 15,000 now. I remember 2 years ago, we were selling these for over £40,000. And actually, you'll be surprised, they're very reliable. Even though being American, don't get me wrong, quality isn't the best, as in plastic and stuff like that, but reliability, brilliant, and actually really nice to drive. This is one of mine again that I was using, brilliant car. Range Rover Evoque, we know our Range Rovers really well. We've been selling them for years. We can black pack them. We know the usual issues with them, like balance shafts, timing chains, all stuff like that. So we're very experienced with Land Rover. We sell a lot of it. A lot of people are scared of it. A lot of dealers are scared to sell them, but we're not, because we know the ins and outs. I'm going to take you down the first row today, because the forecourt's too big to go around the whole lot, and you'll probably get bored of me speaking. Again, GLB, 7-seat, brilliant car. This Audi A5, lovely colour. You won't see many of those in that colour. This is also a black edition. That's 17,990, so a really good price at the minute. More Teslas, I-Paces as well. Again, great value, being EV. I think that one in particular is around £17,000 and a great looking vehicle. Yes, this one right here. This one came in part exchange. This one is around 15,990. It's also got the red leather, the upgraded alloys, the black grille, privacy. It's the right car. And that 15,990 won't stick around. And again, more Land Rover Evoques. Again, a lot of people don't know, but we can black pack these. So like this one here, you can literally see the difference right here. Where this has got the black grille, black letters, and this one's got the silver grille and silver letters, we can actually make that look like that for a small charge. And it's all painted, it's not wrapped. So yeah, that's the forecourt walk. Another week in motor for you. We'll do another one next week.
So we're going to walk in the body shop. We're going to look at a Volvo that's in there. So come through. Metal Mickey. This is Mickey. He's in charge of all the body shop and paintwork.
I'm a man.
He doesn't like the camera though,
No,
Mickey
I
doesn't.
No,
So this
I
is a Volvo XC60 that we've got going out. It's had our platinum package applied to it, so that means basically everything done to it. It's got some very light scratches somewhere, which we're going to show you or try to show you on the camera.
So along here, these are light scratches that we've already done a mop to and they've still not come out. So I think on our package that we would have to paint it, which takes more time, but you can see that in the sunlight, you can see them a bit more than if it was just night time really.
The great thing about having an on-site body shop is that you can get all these things done. And the quality that Mickey turns out is incredible. He's been in bodywork for 28 years. Self-taught as well. And there's nothing that Mickey can't do. So Mickey, what's happening to this MX-5?
So basically this one, it had a bit of bubbling on the paint around there, so we have to paint that. There's a scratch that went through there. It's a bit too deep to polish out, so we'll paint that. And then we'll machine polish the whole thing basically.
And that's a cool looking little car. And this little Hyundai Mickey, what's happening with this?
Yeah, that's another machine polish. It's quite tidy.
So it's quite a clean little car, but it's having a Guard-X applied?
That one isn't.
Right, so it's just a machine polish, cut and polish. So it'll look really nice. And the BMW Mickey?
Basically a little section through there, some painted.
Right,
It's around there. And then machine polish, touch it up.
that'd be good to go. Going to show you something that I bought recently. Come through with me. Mickey keeps promising me to paint it, but he's not done it as yet. That's my 1972 chopper, rally chopper, which I'm going to restore. I never had one as a child and I always wanted one, but all the good kids got them and I was bad as a kid, so my parents wouldn't buy me one. But I'm going to definitely re-chrome it and repaint it, strip it, do the seat and everything, but it will be pucker when it's done. So you can follow that journey as well. But we will be doing weekly updates in the body shop, weekly updates in the workshop, weekly updates on the sales floor, everything. All right, Ty. Just quickly, that's the engine for that van that's out there. One sec, Ty, for that van that's out there. So that'll be going in about a month, Ty? That van's been sitting there maybe a year. So we're getting on top of all the broken cars we've got and we'll get them sorted. Got a little Audi A6 coming in. That's a pretty car. That was a part exchange. That's just going to have its PDI done on it, pre-delivery inspection. So we'll have all the work done on that. But it's a busy site here, busy. September last year, we sold 204 cars. And it was crazy. Go ahead, Sander. So guys, any of the vehicles you see on site or on our website, www.motorforyou.com. If you've got any questions about them, or you're worried about EV, or you're worried about diesel, or you're worried about what's going on with it, range anxiety, all that type of thing, always drop us a comment or pick up the phone. We're always happy to ask and answer any questions or any queries you've got about anything that's on site or anything general. Whether you're going to HPI a car or check the history or anything like that, we're happy to help.